Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be sharing some amazing budget-friendly skincare products that have always saved my skin when my skin is at its worst, when it's at its best, keeping that barrier nice and healthy, nice and strong. If I'm ever experiencing breakouts, a little bit of discoloration, I can always rely on these specific products. Now there is one product in today's video that I will be featuring that isn't exactly budget-friendly. I hesitated whether I should share it, but at the same time, I still want to feature it because it's a product that I rely on almost on an everyday basis. It's a product that actually performs, that works, and I haven't found anything better at a lower price point. I have talked about this product many times in the past, so you guys know how much I love this. And if you experience a lot of skin concerns around the eye area specifically, then I think that you will benefit from this one product as well. And I do have a discount code for you, which of course I will leave below for you along with everything else that I'm sharing in today's video. I would really appreciate it if you could kindly support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up, and if you could also subscribe and ring that notification bell, as I would love to have you all here long term. All right, so the first product is by Cocokind. I actually have two products that I want to share with you today from this brand. This is one of my favorite drugstore brands of all time because they actually perform. The formulations are very high-end to me. They feel very luxurious. I love the texture, the consistencies, the ingredients, and they always perform so nicely on my skin. Sometimes I much prefer to go with Cocokind than with CeraVe or with some of the other drugstore brands that you find at the drugstore because of just the performance of this brand that I've experienced so far. So if you haven't tried anything from Cocokind, you truly need to go out and pick up a few products and try them because I'm telling you, they are so good. Now this product is wonderful. This is the Ceramide Body Oil Stick. This is a very quick and easy way to nourish your skin. It's a nice replacement of body cream, body butters, body lotions. You can just put this all over your arms, all over your legs, and you really don't have to go back in and massage it into your skin if you don't want to. Of course you can, but this absorbs into the skin so nicely. It's not greasy, it's not oily, like your skin just feels so nourished and moisturized, and your skin isn't oily at all. So you can go and throw your clothes on right away and you don't have to worry. Now it looks like this. So there is shea butter in here, there's squalene, there's ceramides of course to help support that skin barrier. It also helps to prevent transepidermal water loss. And sometimes I even put this on my hands before bed. I put this all over my body, and it does give this nice little sheen to the skin as well. So if you're living in a warm climate right now and you're able to wear those cute little summery dresses, shorts, those tank tops, put this on your skin, especially if you're going out for date night. This just gives that skin that nice little glow, and your skin just looks absolutely healthy. And I love it. I just really love this product. And again, it's so quick and easy to use because you don't have to rub this in afterwards. Just do a few swipes and away you go. Or you can just target the driest areas that you have because this really will help to improve texture. And again, it just provides your skin with so much moisture. The other Cocokind product is the Rose Water Toner. Now I love rose water because this ingredient is really nice to deeply hydrate the skin. It refreshes your skin, it revitalizes it. If your skin is ever feeling tight, this gives movement back to your skin. And also if you're ever feeling flushed and a little warm, rose water is a great way to cool you down. So great to use after the gym, after you've just gotten back from a walk. This is great to use within your skincare routine. So after cleansing, but before your serums, before your moisturizer, you can also spritz this all over your face before going in with foundation. And then of course you can spritz this on your face on top of makeup, on top of sunscreen. You can use this so many different ways, and you can use this multiple times a day. And it's great for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Of course, if you're allergic to rose, then you'd want to pass on this. But I like this one from Cocokind because it's certified organic. So 98% of this product is rose water, and the other 2% is a preservative, which is radish root ferment filtrate. So that's the other 2%. And it does smell like fresh roses. It doesn't smell artificial in the least. Again, it's organic, cruelty-free, vegan, and I love it. So I always like to spray this on top of my makeup, like I said, especially during the winter months, and it just gives that little healthy glow back to your skin. And if your skin is ever feeling tight, like I said, it just gives that nice hydration that we're lacking, especially during the winter. The next product is by The Ordinary. This is the Soothing and Barrier Support Serum, also known as the pink serum. Now, the pink coloring of this serum isn't an artificial color. This is coming from the vitamin B12 ingredient. There's also niacinamide in here, Centella asiatica, ceramides, rapeseed, sterols, ginger root extract, the list goes on. So this is a wonderful serum to use when your skin is compromised. It has that burning sensation, it's really red and inflamed, dry. This is wonderful to use every day, up to twice a day, until your skin is back to normal. Or you can use this every day as a preventative, just to keep your skin barrier nice and strong. If you're acne prone and you have current breakouts, and you know when those breakouts get really sore and tender, this is a great product to use to help calm those areas down. And it also helps to calm the redness down as well that is caused by that blemish. This is also great to use alongside active ingredients like tretinoin, retinol, glycolic acid, any type of active that can irritate our skin. Use this prior to that active, depending on what it is. So if you're using glycolic or lactic acid that is generally in a watery type of consistency, use that first. Then use this afterwards because it is thicker, it's like a milky texture, then go in with your moisturizer. If you're using a retinol or tretinoin that is cream-based, use this first and then go in with your cream-based products afterwards, just for proper layering to prevent pilling and all of that good stuff. But this is a wonderful serum to have on hand as that just in case, but it's also great to use for skin health. Next is the Inkey List Hydroccholid Invisible Pimple Patches. I love these for when I'm experiencing the odd breakout because this helps to prevent me from popping them. Putting a little hydrocolloid patch on top of that blemish helps to expel the pus from that blemish, and it just speeds up healing time as well. And by doing this, you're going to prevent acne scarring, you're going to prevent inflammation and infection. And this one from the Inkey List is really nice because this contains 99% hydrocolloid, but it also contains some other additional ingredients to help heal the blemish a lot faster. So there's 0.4% salicylic acid, 0.4% succinic acid, and 0.2% ectoin for hydration. And it really helps to heal the area, it helps to expel any oil, and it's wonderful. And these work really well. So of course, I always have to have this on hand for when I'm experiencing that odd breakout, and these never disappoint. The Naturium Vitamin C Super Serum Plus is also really nice. This always brightens up my skin. It helps to even everything out. So when I'm experiencing post-acne marks, or let's say I have some texture, this does the job. So this formulation contains hyaluronic acid. It also contains retinol, niacinamide, ascorbic acid, which is the purest form of vitamin C, as well as salicylic acid. So all of these ingredients will target multiple skin concerns, and this serum truly never disappoints. So if you are looking for a serum that targets everything, then I would say try this. You can use this every day, twice a day. Remember not to forget your sunscreen if you are using this in your morning routine, but I love it. It just spreads across the skin so nicely. It's very lightweight, and it's also very hydrating, and it does a good job to improve texture and tone. Now, I cannot live without this product here. So this is the Avene Cicalfate Restorative Protective Cream. I have been using this for years. This always needs to be in my collection, especially during the winter months. If you've been struggling to find an everyday cream that actually helps to repair dryness and to repair that compromised skin barrier, then you need to try the Cicalfate Restorative Protective Cream. If they ever discontinued this, I truly don't know what I would do. I really don't, because this performs way better than the La Roche-Posay Balm B5, in my opinion. I think this performs a lot better. This has copper and zinc to help repair the skin. It's thick like toothpaste. It's very emollient. I only use this at nighttime because this is a little bit too rich to use in the morning alongside sunscreen and makeup. But I am telling you right now, if your skin is just super red and inflamed, this will calm everything down. And I love this. I really, really love this. And this is a non-negotiable. This is a must-have. This just always needs to be in my collection. So if you haven't tried this and you're prone to sensitivities, dryness, and irritation, you need to try this. 100%. Another product that has really saved my skin is the Queen of Thrones Castor Oil. Now, I recently talked about this ingredient in a separate video, and I shared all of the benefits of castor oil and how I like to incorporate this on an everyday, weekly basis. So if you haven't seen that video, I'm going to leave it below for you as well as up here. Castor oil is absolutely fabulous for so many things. You can incorporate it into your body care routine, your face. You can also use this on your hair. There are so many benefits. And the one thing that I really love about this is that it deeply hydrates. It also is anti-inflammatory, and it can also help to speed up wound healing. It helps to stimulate new collagen and elastin. So if you want to go and check out that video, I really would recommend it, especially if you want to learn more about castor oil. I feel like it's becoming even more popular now. It's been popular for a long time, but I do feel like this ingredient is still a little bit underrated, and I just love this. I wish I would have been more consistent with castor oil many years ago because it has really saved my skin, especially during the winter. And the last product that truly saves my skin on a daily, and the one that isn't so budget friendly, are the Drmtlgy Brightening Eye Masks. So like I've said, I have tried many eye masks in the past. Nothing has performed as well as these. These are exceptional, and they are 100%. They honestly are the best of the best. Now, these are great for depuffing, and this is mainly why I use these pretty much on a daily because I wake up puffy a lot. So these always do the trick to bring down that puffiness. Some of that formulation that gets on my hands, like the serum, I will apply it underneath the brow bone because I do become a little puffy there too, and it helps to depuff. And this is great for dark circles, great if you have crepiness, dryness, dullness. It helps to brighten if you have dark circles. This can be great to use. I don't have dark circles, so I can't speak whether this would work for that or not, but for depuffing, for rejuvenating the skin, hydrating, and plumping, this does the job, and it never disappoints. And they're very saturated. They're very wet, which is a really good thing. You don't want an eye mask that is just slightly damp because they're not going to work. It's not going to work the same as these. And I keep them in the fridge. You are getting 60 eye masks, so 30 pairs, and they depuff even better when they're nice and cold. And it's just more refreshing to use as well when they're cool. Great to prep your under eyes for a special event, to bring in hydration and to plump up those fine lines prior to applying your concealer and your makeup. There's niacinamide in here, caffeine, hyaluronic acid, aloe, cucumber extract, the list goes on. There are so many wonderful ingredients that truly improve the under eyes. And again, I can't recommend this enough. I know I sound repetitive, but I'm telling you, these are one of a kind. And I do have a 20% off discount code with Drmtlgy as well that is ongoing. So you can use Sincerely Miss Ash at checkout. And I hope that you love these. And if you do decide to pick these up, come back and let me know how you like it. I have put a lot of you on these eye masks, and so many of you are in love with it as well. And I'm so happy to hear that. So those are the best budget-friendly skincare products that have truly saved my skin. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you found it helpful and I was able to introduce you to a few new products today. Again, everything will be linked below for you in my description box along with discount codes and related videos. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask away, and also let me know if you are going to try something from this video. Let's get a conversation going in that comment section. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I always do appreciate it. And of course, I will see you all in the next video. So take care, and I will see you all then. Bye guys.